With pride there are many curses, with humility there come many blessings. The time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. The invariable mark of wisdom is to see the miraculous in the common. Knowledge without justice ought to be called cunning rather than wisdom. If you set out to be liked, you would be prepared to compromise on anything at any time and you would achieve nothing. Of all the things which wisdom provides to make us entirely happy, much the greatest is the possession of friendship. None knows the weight of another burden. Pure, holy simplicity confounds all the wisdom of this world and the wisdom of the flesh. Your sacred space is where you can find yourself again and again. The day of fortune is like a harvest day. We must be busy when the corn is ripe. Knowledge speaks, but wisdom listens.